If you want to unlink your Zomato account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps. This process will help you manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile, look for the settings option, often represented by gear icon. Tap on it to open account settings. Step 4. Find linked accounts. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the section labeled linked accounts or social accounts. Select this option to view your connected accounts. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. Tap on it and choose the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Zomato. After completing these steps, your Zomato account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.